Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Ford F150 Raptor and this is by Majorette from their semi-premium series. And this is more specifically the chase for 2025. So you guys you guys might ask me right now why you didn't unbox this during 2025, because this came during this year for for us in India. So we didn't see this during 2025. So, so I bought it like literally a week back or so. That's it. So with that said, let me unbox this. This is really easy. And here is the card art. Card art looks really nice. Can they put some sticker here, which is really irritating. Okay, let's get into the car now. This is actually a bit heavy, to be honest. Okay, let me remove this useless piece here. There is no point of adding this. We all know that it has a movable part. I don't know why they are doing that. Okay, so here is the casting itself. Honestly, this is a bit heavy, and it has acrylic headlights here. The grill details are really nice on, and even the Ford, the logo they painted, that is really neat. I mean, it doesn't have any misprints or paint smeared over, something like that. They did it really nice, and it has rear view mirror details here. Looks really cool. You can see the 25 numbering here, that signifies it's chase for 2025. And you can see the Raptor name here. And the door handles are really uh, like detailed. It is embossed, and you can see the fuel filler cap here, and the tail lights are painted. And here also you can see the Ford logo, the Raptor naming. So I think only here I think it is supposed to say F150 if I'm not wrong, and on this side the an R on the Raptor. I mean the last R. So this is not clear. I mean, okay, I understand it. It happens sometimes, but at least the rest of the lettering they didn't mess up. It is really on point, to be honest. Okay, so it has really neat detailing here. Let me put it this way. You can see here. There's good detailing there also. And the body is fully metal, chassis is plastic, and you have this part here. You can actually hitch a trailer here if you're having those kind of pieces with you. You can hitch any trailer with any of the Majorettes which has this particular provision. So that is really nice. They did that. And hood detail looks really nice. Interior looks really good. So let me okay, that is really hard to open. Let me see. That is really tight. Okay, here it is. It looks really good. Again, I really love the way they put the steering wheel and all. It is properly defined instead of just like a block of circle or something like that. Okay, let me try to close. Snaps back right into place. And even the bed here, this is fully metal. No, I mean it's not a plastic, unlike Hot Wheels, because they most of the time they do the bed in plastic. If you guys remember the Chevy truck, if I'm not wrong, which we unboxed a week back, that had like the entire segment plastic. I mean, for 549, I mean, I'm not expecting that. But these guys for for like 399, it doesn't have metal chassis. Personally, I really don't nitpick on that, because the end of the day they do all the detailings really neat, and they do have another segment for this as well, like full metal casting. So I'm good there. So it has suspension. The suspension is a bit smooth, and I really love the rims on this one. Looks really great, and it really suits this particular casting really well. And the trim on this one, that blue trim on this one, that really matches well with the overall look of this truck along with the paint scheme. Okay, let's weigh this casting. I'm hoping around at least 45 grams. Okay, 48 grams. Not bad at all. Okay, let's see if this one rolls. Okay, that actually rolls really fast. So it does have some wheel wobble on the rear wheel, but still it rolls. Okay, so let's rate this casting now. Again, see this particular one issue, one thing which I showed you guys here, that is something specific to mine. Yours might not have, so don't worry on that. And I mean, they did everything really well. I'm not going to nitpick just for this one small thing, might be a misprint. Because if they are doing this constantly for literally every other car in the series, then that's an issue. Okay, with that said, I'm giving a 10 out of 10. So, yeah. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.